In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme in CapCut. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the theme settings and how to switch between light and dark modes so your workspace feels comfortable and easy on your eyes. First, open CapCut. You can do this on the web in your browser or by launching the app on your phone or desktop. Give the interface a moment to load and make sure you're in your main workspace where your projects are visible. If you're using the web version, it helps to expand your window to full screen so all menu items are visible. On mobile, ensure you're on the Home or Workspace tab. This keeps the navigation consistent and makes the next steps straightforward. Next, look to the upper right corner of your screen for your profile area. On desktop or web, this is usually your avatar or a small circle with your initial. On mobile, it may be a profile icon. Click or tap that profile area to open your account menu. This menu is where CapCut groups your personal settings, and it's the quickest way to access display preferences. If the profile icon is hidden, move your mouse to the top of the page or scroll slightly so the header reappears. Inside the account menu, look for an option labeled Theme. This is the control that changes how the interface looks. Click or tap Theme to open the appearance choices. The theme option is designed to be simple and quick to access, so you don't have to dig through deeper settings. If you're switching devices or editing in different locations, this is a handy place to make a fast adjustment. Now, choose between light and dark mode. Light mode gives you a bright background that works well in well-lit rooms and can make panels and buttons feel a bit more spacious. Dark mode reduces glare, which is easier on the eyes when you're editing at night or in low light, and it can help your preview window stand out. Select the one you prefer, and CapCut will apply it immediately across your workspace. If the change doesn't appear right away, wait a second for the interface to refresh. You can switch back anytime by returning to the same theme option, so don't be afraid to test both and see which feels better for your workflow and environment. That's it. You've changed your theme in CapCut. If you found this helpful, keep this quick path in mind. Open CapCut, go to your profile, choose Theme, and pick Light or Dark. Happy editing!